Hello my friend, this is Yann, so I'm happy to be back with you. Today what we're going to do, we're going to do a very easy salad, a kale salad. So kale is a specific, I would say, vegetable, not always easy to do in salad and people can be afraid about that, but it's a very easy to use. What you have to make sure is that to facilitate I would say how to use it, we are going to what we call massage the kale for once or twice. So I will explain what I'm going to do. And in our seasoning, we're going to do Dijon mustard, lemon, a bit of apple vinegar, olive oil, and on top of the on term of topping in the salad, we're going to use some cranberries and sunflower seed. But the first step is really to prepare the kale. So I have a good bunch of kale here. Okay, so I'm going to remove the steam, and while I'm removing the steam, I'm going to reduce in pieces the kale. So really in small pieces, and that's the first step to massage the kale. And I'm going to put it aside because I'm going to clean it under water. So each leaf or of that kale, I'm going to do the same, meaning reducing in small pieces, so it's break it, and that's going to be the first massage step in that. So you have different way to do it. You can use your knife or different tools to remove the steam, and then you use your knife to cut everything. I forgot to say that in the dressing as well, we're going to put 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, that I'm going to mince, chop finely, and that will come give more taste in the dressing. So you don't have to do too much, too small pieces, right? It has to say still be a leaf or some leaves. So I would say that just like that, you can see it's give 2 pieces of kale. So you have to do that for the rest. And then when it's done, we're going to prepare the dressing. In general, it's always better to prepare the kale salad in advance, so the dressing has the time to mix well with the kale, and it's the kale has the time to cook or to be ready for to eat. So I'm taking out all the steam. I'm not keeping anything in terms of steam. So the way I like my my kale salad is that a mix of it can be bitter in terms of the kale can be bitter. So if you mix with some sweet like cranberries, it gives a good flavor, a good balance. Not too sweet, but enough to balance with the bitter side of the kale. Okay, so now that we have washed the kale, we're going to make sure to remove as much as we can in terms of the water, okay, inside. So what you have to do, you can use a spinner salad, and if you don't have that, you just have to squeeze very well your salad when the kale when you're going to remove him from the water. Okay, so what you have to do is really you take in your hand and you can squeeze to remove as much as you can the liquid water that came when you rinse the kale. Okay, you want the kale to be as dry as possible. So in terms of the dressing, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice, half a lemon juice. Remove the seed. So I'm going to put it in my small bowl. Perfect. Then I'm going to add the olive oil. 3 tablespoons, I would say. Fresh pepper. Some salt, fleur de sel, just a pinch. And we are going to be able to put 1 tablespoon of mustard, Dijon mustard. So I'm going to mix things together. And then I'm going to mince my 2 garlic cloves that I have here. Going to get my cloves ready. Cloves. So depending on how you like garlic or not, you can put 1 or 2. In this case, I'm going to put 2 for the bowl. Perfect. Okay. Dressing. Okay. From there, I'm going to mix everything together. So we have a nice thick dressing, as you can see. Perfect, very nice. Going to put it on the side for the moment, and I'm going to prepare my cranberries. So in general, I like to slice a bit my cranberries, just a bit, in smaller pieces. I'm just going to do that one. And I will put that with the sunflower seed in 1 minute. So now I'm taking back the kale, washed, ready, and I'm going to put the dressing on top of it. You can see the nice color, yellow and green. It's beautiful. And now I'm going to mix first the dressing before adding with the kale, before adding the topping. So now I'm going to put my my topping. Okay, so I'm going to start with the cranberries. You can see this is a great color. And I'm going to put sunflower seed. So for the sunflower seed and the cranberries, I'm putting about 1/3 of a cup. I'm mixing everything together. So pieces of cranberries and sunflowers are light, so they are going to stick here to the dressing and the kale. Okay, so perfect. So now our salad is almost ready. We're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then we will be ready to eat our beautiful salad. And then before the end, we will add some topping again, just for the presentation. So we'll be back in about 2 hours. Okay, so let me start with the, okay, we're going to put the sunflower seed. Nice, just like that. A bit of cranberries. Okay, just to give a nice, nice color, just for the presentation. And we're going to put some sweet potatoes around. And you can see it's a nice, nice mix, nice color together, because you have some red, some green, some orange with the sweet potatoes. So it's beautiful. And the sweet potatoes are going to match very well with the kale salad and the dressing. So it's nice. So depending on how you like it, you can put more. It's diced sweet potatoes that were roasted in the oven, so not too big, small pieces. That's great. And that's it. It's time now to enjoy. So a beautiful salad, kale salad with cranberries, some sunflower seed, and at the end some topping of roasted sweet potatoes. I hope you will enjoy that recipe. It was a pleasure to do this video tonight. If you really like it, subscribe to my channel, put me a like. I really want to see you, give me some comments as well, and see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.